Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Fidelity Web3 integration for staking checks step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Fidelity website. Log into your Fidelity account using your username and password. Once logged in, locate the section for digital assets or Web3 integrations. Click on the link or menu item that leads you to the Web3 integration page. You may need to verify your identity, so follow any prompted security checks. After verification, look for the option to authorize the Web3 integration for staking checks. Carefully read through the terms and conditions displayed on the screen. If you agree, click the button to accept the terms and continue. Next, you will be asked to link your cryptocurrency wallet. Follow the prompts to connect your wallet securely. Ensure you select the correct wallet type from the provided options. If prompted, enter your wallet address or scan the QR code. After linking your wallet, confirm the connection on both the Fidelity site and your wallet. You may receive a notification to verify the staking check setup. Review any additional settings related to your staking options. Once you are satisfied, proceed to finalize the authorization. You should see a confirmation message indicating that the integration is successful. Check your account to ensure all details appear correct. If you run into any issues, refer to the troubleshooting section or customer support for assistance. You have now successfully authorized Fidelity Web3 integration for staking checks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.